Your gut is talking to you every single day. But the real question is, are you listening? Most people ignore the early whispers of gut problems, brushing them off as just gas, just stress, or just bad food. But science shows that your gut health is the hidden switchboard that controls not only digestion, but also immunity, energy, mood, and even how fast you age. As a doctor, I can tell you that ignoring these early signs is like ignoring the warning light on your car's dashboard. You might keep driving, but eventually, something breaks down. Today, I'll reveal the 5 warning signs of an unhealthy gut you should never ignore. Because your gut could be silently controlling your entire life. First, constant bloating and gas. A little bloating after a heavy meal is normal, but if you're constantly feeling like your stomach is a balloon, it's not just overeating. It could mean your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria inside your gut, is out of balance. When bad bacteria overgrow, they ferment even healthy foods like fiber, releasing excessive gas. Think of it like a factory running with broken machinery. It produces more waste than it should. If you feel bloated almost every day, it's your gut asking for help, not just overeating. Second, irregular bowel movements. Your poop is the ultimate report card of gut health. Chronic constipation, diarrhea, or swinging between the two could point to IBS, food intolerances, or chronic inflammation in the intestines. A healthy gut produces stools that are smooth, sausage-shaped, and easy to pass, usually once or twice a day. Anything too hard, too watery, or too inconsistent is your body's way of waving a red flag. Start tracking your stool. Doctors literally call it a gut health diary because it reveals more than most lab tests. Third, food intolerances and unexplained reactions. If you often feel tired, itchy, bloated, or mentally foggy after eating certain foods, even when you don't officially test allergic, this could be a leaky gut problem. When the gut lining becomes weak, tiny food particles leak into your bloodstream, triggering an immune response. It's like poking holes in a coffee filter. Suddenly particles that should stay inside leak out and create chaos everywhere else. If dairy, gluten, or even certain fruits consistently leave you drained, your gut lining may be compromised. Fourth, fatigue and brain fog. Your gut and brain are in constant conversation through the gut-brain axis. When your gut bacteria are imbalanced, they can lower serotonin levels, increase inflammation, and disrupt your sleep cycle. The result? You wake up tired, struggle to focus, and feel like you're walking around in a mental haze. If you wake up tired, can't focus, or feel like you're living in a mental haze, don't blame your brain first, blame your gut. Most people blame stress or lack of sleep, but often the real culprit is hidden in the gut. If your fatigue has no clear explanation, consider looking inward, literally, at your gut. Lastly, frequent illness or weak immunity. Nearly 70% of your immune system sits inside your gut. If you're the type who catches every cold going around, struggles with recurring infections, or takes forever to recover, your gut microbiome may be underperforming. Think of your gut as the training ground for your immune soldiers. If the training camp is weak, your army can't fight. A weak immune system is one of the most overlooked warning signs of poor gut health. In essence, your gut isn't just about digestion, it's your body's command center for energy, immunity, and even your mood. If you're experiencing bloating, irregular stools, food reactions, brain fog, or frequent illnesses, don't ignore them. Your gut is whispering before it starts screaming. The good news, with the right nutrition, lifestyle, and medical care, you can repair it and reclaim your health. In my next video, I'll reveal the top 5 foods that science says can actually heal your gut. So if any of these warning signs sound familiar, don't brush them off, because your long-term health could depend on it. See you next time. Keep watching MedGroww and take care of yourself.